बेंगलुरु में भगदड़ की मजिस्ट्रेट जांच के आदेश, मृतकों के परिवारों को 10 लाख का मुआवजा। रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बेंगलुरु की पहली आईपीएल जीत के जश्न के दौरान चिन्नास्वामी स्टेडियम के पास हुए दर्दनाक भगदड़ हादसे ने पूरे देश को झकझोर कर रख दिया है। इस हादसे में 11 लोगों की मौत हो गई है और 40 से अधिक लोग घायल हुए हैं। अब इस गंभीर मामले को लेकर कर्नाटक सरकार ने मजिस्ट्रेट स्तर की जांच के आदेश जारी किए हैं। सरकार की ओर से जारी आधिकारिक अधिसूचना के अनुसार बेंगलुरु शहरी जिले के उपायुक्त और वरिष्ठ आईएएस अधिकारी जी जगदीश को इस मामले की जांच सौंपी गई है।
Yes, there has been a mistake. We have agreed to it. We have taken responsibility. We will correct. We are a responsible government. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Incident, the government has owned up responsibility. This could have been avoided with better planning and coordination, but of course this is after 18 years RCB has won the cup. There was a lot of frenzy, there was a lot of expectations from the people. A stadium which has capacity of 35,000 people, 2.5-3 lakh people poured out onto the streets. Although we did all the best we could, we were unable to manage the crowd. The Chief Minister of Karnataka, the Deputy Chief Minister and the Home Minister have already spoken about this. We have owned up responsibility and will take corrective measures for the same.
BJP is saying it's the responsibility of the government.
See, BJP likes to politicize everything. The same BJP, when we told that a victory parade in an open bus would not be feasible on such short notice because of the lack of time to make arrangements, they said we were insulting the cricketers. But that post has now been deleted and now they are saying that should not have been done at all. So BJP intention of politicizing and communalizing everything is not healthy.
Chief Minister has already made a statement. He has already addressed the media also, and he has ordered a magisterial inquiry by a Deputy Commissioner, Urban Bangalore, and till a report comes from the inquiry, we will not be able to say anything. Compensations also have been announced. 10 lakh rupee compensation we have announced, and KSCA has also announced 5 lakhs rupees compensation. And this process, in fact, it is on, and I am going to visit this spot just about 11 o'clock, and I'll discuss with the RCB people, I'll discuss with the KSCA people, office bearers, and their point of view also we will discuss and see.
So you said you'll take strict action, sir, but who's going to be responsible for these 11 lives? Could this not have been better planned? A lot of questions are rising, sir.
No, there are a lot of questions raised. As I said, let the inquiry report come to government, and if there are any lapses, definitely they will point out the lapses, right? And whoever is responsible for those lapses, definitely we will initiate action.
But what was the hurry, sir, is the question that's...
No, it is not. It is not us. It is not. We didn't make a request to the RCB or the KSCA. They organized this.
Yes, sir.
The part of it was government also felt that we also should facilitate. That's all. After all, it is Bangalore, Bangalore team. The government also felt that let us be part of that celebration. That's all. Beyond that, we didn't ask, we are going to do it. RCB and KSCA, they are the ones who brought the team to Bangalore for celebrations.
Sir, now was there also, sir, some instructions that had come in from the police, sir, against doing this? Because the previous night also you mentioned that the celebrations had gone on till almost 5 in the morning.
No, we will see all those things will be, inquired by the ministerial inquiry team. Once that report comes, then all these things will be answered.
Bureau Report, Team A1 News.